Dear students, in this video we will find out how to find out the vector product or cross product of two vectors. For this, let us consider a vector A is represented in Cartesian coordinate form like ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and another vector B vector is represented by bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Right, now to find the vector cross product of two vector is either simply cross multiply these two vectors or use it by determinant method. So I will do that because it is the easiest method. So in that case, A cross B vector, to find out by determinant method we will use I j k. Here firstly we will write the coordinates of A vector, that is ax, ay, az, and then we will write the coordinates of vector B, which is bx, by and bz. Now to first write the I vector, the coefficient of I cap. So in that case we will write I cap. So to write this we will hide the I column like this, and we will multiply. We will go from left to right, ay bz minus az by, right? So in that case, ay bz minus az by. Then j cap. To write the j cap, we will hide this j column, and in this case we will move from right to left, not from left to right. We will move from right to left, that is az bx first and then ax bz. So we'll write here az bx minus ax bz. Right, now to write the k cap coefficient, we will hide this k column and then again left to right, ax by minus ay bx. So this is ax by minus ay bx. So this is how we can find out the cross product of two vectors. Let us now understand this by numerical. So in that case, let us consider we are having A vector is equal to, suppose, 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So now to find out, use the determinant method. In this case, I, j and k. The coefficient of I is 2, coefficient of j is minus 3, coefficient of k is 4. Here coefficient of I is 1, coefficient of j is 2, coefficient of k is minus 3. Now to find out I cap, we will hide the column I and we will multiply. This is 3 3s are 9, so minus minus plus, 9 minus 4 2s are 8, plus j cap. In this case we will hide j column and we will move from right to left, that is 4 1s are 4 minus 3 2s are 6, but here again it is minus, so minus minus plus, so this is plus 6. Now to write the k component, we will hide this k column, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 minus, this is minus 3, so it will become plus 3. So here we get I cap plus 10j cap plus 7k cap. So we again get a vector which is obtained by the cross multiply of A and B. Now if we want to find out the unit vector of this method, this vector quantity, we can easily find by using the formula. Let this is C vector, so we can use C cap is equal to C vector upon C magnitude. Now C vector is I plus 10j plus 7k, right, and C magnitude can be calculated by this 1 square plus 10 square plus 7 square. On simplifying it, we can get I plus 10j plus 7k divided by, this is 1 plus 100 plus 7 sevens are 49. So this will become 150. right? So we'll get C cap is equal to I plus 10j plus 7k upon root of 150. Okay, so this is our answer to find out the unit vector along this direction. So this is how we can do the cross product of two vectors in Cartesian form.